Hi everyone, this is Kishore and welcome to Excel Learning Program. In this session, we are going to look at sort and filter under 18 in Home tab. Now, let us explore what are the different features which are available under sort and filter. Sort and filter, if you click on sort and filter button, based on the column contents, it will show different options. Now, my column contents are descriptive. It is showing A to Z filtering. Here, if I select salary column, my column contents are values. Based on the selection, it is showing smallest to largest number or largest to smallest number. If you keep your cursor on date field, now it is showing oldest to newest date and newest to oldest date. Now, I want to sort based on first name, A to Z sorting. Now, A to Z sorting. See, now I am able to sort my table based on the first name field. However, you can also sort your table based on your requirement. See, I want to sort by salary, smallest to largest. Now, if you observe, these salaries are not properly ordered. Now 1,94,000, 1,86,000, like that it is happening. 1,77,000. I want to see all the salaries smallest to largest. Now let us see smallest to largest. See, like this. 1,25,000 to 1,94,000 is the maximum number. See, now like this you can also sort smallest to largest. Now if you want to sort by date, now you can also go by oldest to newest date. See, so current date is this one, the maximum date and minimum date which is available in this field is this. Based on the sorting, it will be sorted. Now there is one more option called custom sort. If you use sort these two options, you can sort by field wise, but I want to sort this table based on multiple criteria. Say, now I just kept my cursor position within any of within the table and selecting custom sort. As soon as you select the custom sort, it is showing a pop-up. That pop-up showing you my table has headers. Yes, my table has headers. Excel wisely understand that this table has headers. If you feel that this table does not have any headers, you can uncheck this check mark. Now it will be selected whole table like this. Now I don't want like that. My table has headers. Now I want to sort the first name based on values. You can sort by cell color, font color and cell icons. Now I want to sort by values of the field and the order is A to Z is fine for me. I want to add one more level. Now I want to sort gender by Z to A, and again I want to add one more level. I want to sort by salary, largest to smallest. Now if you click OK, you can apply sorting by multiple criteria. See, like this you can sort your table. You can sort the data based on your requirement. Like this you can sort. This is called multiple criteria sorting. Now let us explore the next feature called filter. Now what I am going to do is, I want to see only male employees. As soon as you click on filter, it will auto assign drop downs. See, you can observe drop down buttons over here. See, like this, like this. You can observe the same drop downs you have already observed in the previous lessons, that is when we insert a table, all tables will have this kind of headers, and the header will be inserted with a drop down like this. Now as soon as you click on filter, filter buttons will be applied to your table based on the header like this. Now I want to see what are the different features available. If you click on any of the buttons, the entire pop-up will be shown like this. You can also sort from here, A to Z sorting or Z to A sorting. You can apply from here itself. You can apply Z to A sorting or A to Z sorting like this. Now what I am doing is, you have different features over here. Do you want to filter by cell color? If you want to filter by cell color, you can observe whatever the colors which are available in your table, all those colors will be shown here. Now I am adding one more color here. I am adding one more color. This is green. Now you can observe this color will also be available here like this. If you want to filter by the color which you are selecting, now you can filter by color like this. If you don't want this filter, if you give up the filter, you can click on this one like this. You can give up the filter. Now I want to filter by some criteria. Say this is called text filter. It means you can give some criteria and you can filter by your requirement. Now I am using equal to, does not equal to, begin with, ends with, contains, something like this. I am using equal to. I want to filter only the criteria which I am giving here. I want to filter by the name which I have given here. If I click OK, only that name will be filter. You can also apply filter using Ctrl Shift L, and you can remove the filters using Ctrl Shift L. Same command can be used to apply filter and remove filter. Ctrl Shift L and Ctrl Shift L. Like this you can use the filters. Now there are different features which are available over here. If I want to see only the name which contains say N, the name which contains N will be filtered now. See, all these names having N in those names, hence all those names have been filtered. You can click over here and text filters contains. Okay, now you can see like this. You can also remove filter using data and click on filter. Now these filters have been removed. However, we are going to explore about data tab later. Now I am using Ctrl Shift L, and let us explore different features which are available under filter. Now you have observed text filters. Hope everyone can understand equal to, does not equal to, begins with, ends with, contains, does not contain, and custom filters. See, you can also observe a drop down. Based on your requirement, you can use this drop down to filter the contents, and you can also use and or operators or operators. Over here you can use multiple criteria. This is one level, this is second level. You can use both the levels under filters, and you can filter your data based on your requirement. Now if you observe, if you want to search anything, if you want to search by A or something like that, as soon as you type a letter, that if that letter is matching in your filter fields, then automatically all those will be shown like that. The first will be shown like that. If you type K, now K will be shown like this. See? Now it will show like that. Or you can also go by each name and select those names. And now what I am doing is I am unselecting all. See, I have unselected all. If I want to see only particular name, you can go to respective name and see that particular name like this. If you want to see only for the particular name, now you can apply by selecting that particular name under filter. Now I am going over here, again selecting all. If I click OK, now I am able to see all the names. Like this, you can apply filters. Now I am removing the filter. Now you can observe this is filtered, this is applied filter. Now what do you mean by reapply filter? Now what I am doing is I have applied a filter. This is my filter, Anil. Now what I am going to do is I am adding some Ajay and male and some date and region and salary is like that. Now if you observe this functionality, if you want to clear the filter, you can clear the filter. If you want to reapply the filter, you can reapply the filter like this. Now let us explore what are the different options which are available under custom sort. Now we have seen how to add a level. Now let us see how to delete a level. You can delete level like this. However, you can also copy the level by selecting the respective row of level and click on copy level. Like this, you can copy level. From here you can change based on your requirement. However, you can also move the levels using arrow buttons like this, down arrow and up arrow. You can move your priorities using these buttons. If you want to move this row to the bottom, you can move this row to the bottom. And let us explore options now. Here there are different options. The first one is case sensitive. You can also sort by case sensitive. Now I am using undo and go to sort and filter, custom sort, go to options, select case sensitive, sort top to bottom. Now click OK. Click OK. Now case sensitive sorting is applied. See, Ajay and Anna are small letters. From there all are capital letters. Like this you can also use case sensitives. Now I want to go by another feature called sort left to right. So far all we have done is sort top to bottom. Now what is this functionality? How can we use this functionality? Most of the Excel users don't know what is sort to left. Now let us explore what is sort to left to right, sorry. What is sort left to right? Now let us go and explore this functionality. I am deleting all rows from here. Click OK. I have done. Now I am using Alt IR to insert a row. You can also insert a row by selecting the row, shift spacebar and use Control Shift and place. Now I'm entering values called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can also enter the values like this and autofill fill series. Like this I've entered. Now what I want is, I want to reorder the entire table columns from last to first. Say if you observe 1 to 6 column order, now I want to reorder the column order by 6 to 1 order. How can I do that? The user don't know this functionality. Who don't know this functionality, they will do like this. They will copy this and go to some other Excel sheet, or within the Excel sheet they will copy like this. Again they will come here, they will copy like this. Like this they will reorder the columns, but you don't require to do like that. Select the entire table and go to custom sort. Now go to options. Now select, deselect this one, select sort left to right. Now if you observe, now what I'm going to do is I'm deleting a level and applying sort left to right. Click OK. Now I'm adding a level. What I'm going to do is, I want to sort the first row largest to smallest. Click OK. Now it's done. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this you can reorder the columns based on your requirement. However, if you want to change only this column to the beginning, say for example like this, if you want to change only this column to the beginning, or only this and this column to be beginning, to be moved to the beginning one after another. The first one should be hire date, the second one should be salary, next all these columns should be shown. Now let us see. Select this one, go to sort and filter, custom sort, go by row 1, yes, smallest to largest, no, largest to smallest. Click OK. See, now my salary is shown first, then hire date. However, you can also change smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Go to custom sort, select row 1 and smallest to largest. Click OK. See, now hire date came first and salary came later. Like this you can use based on your requirement. This is very powerful, and most of the users, I repeat, most of the users don't know this functionality. Make use of it and have fun with it.